Hi, I'm Dave Elsoff, Ram Communications. This is the 2019 Ram 1500. This is the limited model, and I'm proud to show this truck to you today because it just won Motor Trend Truck of the Year. This is an exceptional truck. Let me give you some of the highlights of it.
Okay.
This is a mild hybrid, so it offers 130 pound-feet of torque to help get the truck started. It'll save you 2 miles per gallon city and combined fuel efficiency, and do it without compromising capability. That's towing, hauling, and comfort. We'd like to say this is the most technologically advanced truck on the road, and the most luxurious. If you take a look inside,
Okay, let's see.
the Ram 1500 offers a 12-inch touchscreen radio, unlike anything else in the industry. This gives the user the option of split screen technology and connectivity to your phone, full screen radio. It's got a lot of customization built in to make the truck your own. This is our limited interior. We offer this also in a 4x4 off-road package that we're showing here. This truck, as you see it, is $67,000.
Well, let's see on the back. You have a lot of option in the bed of the truck.
Let's start here. One of the really nice things is offering great storage for the user. So we've got a flat floor, under floor storage,
Perfect.
under seat storage, and then, as you said, moving to the back, place to put your dirty stuff, liquids, mud gear. These are drainable, washable, lockable. It's sealed and secure.